If Blender is giving you error 13, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step in a quick and simple way. Blender error 13 is usually a permission denied issue, which means Blender can't access a file, folder, or system location it needs to run properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without being a tech expert. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first and easiest fix is to run Blender as an administrator. This gives Blender the permissions it needs to open properly and avoid access errors. To do that, right-click the Blender icon and choose Run as Administrator. If Blender opens normally after that, then the issue was likely just a permissions problem. If the error still appears, the next step is to restart your system. A simple restart can clear temporary conflicts, release locked files, and fix background issues that may be blocking Blender. After your computer starts back up, try opening Blender again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your folder permissions. Sometimes Blender is installed in a location that Windows is restricting. Right-click the Blender folder, go to Properties, and then open the Security tab. Here, check whether your user account has full control. If not, click Edit, select your username, and allow full control. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. This step is important because Blender needs proper access to its install files and related folders. Another common cause is the install path itself. If Blender is installed in a protected or unusual directory, it may trigger error 13. A simple fix is to move Blender to a cleaner path such as your desktop or another easy-to-access folder. Avoid deeply nested folders or locations that may have restrictive permissions. If you're using antivirus software, it could also be blocking Blender in the background. Some security tools mistakenly flag Blender files and stop them from running correctly. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus and then launch Blender again to see if the error disappears. If that works, you may need to add Blender to your antivirus exclusions or trusted apps list. If none of those fixes solve the problem, then it may be a corrupted installation. In that case, uninstall Blender completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website. A fresh install often resolves broken files, missing components, or damaged permissions. And there's one more useful step you should try: running a system file check. This can repair Windows files that may be causing the problem behind the scenes. To do that, press Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Now wait while Windows scans and repairs any damaged system files. This may take several minutes, so be patient and let it finish fully before closing the window. Once that's done, restart your computer one more time and try Blender again. Most of the time, one of these steps will fix error 13, especially running Blender as administrator or correcting folder permissions. So, if Blender still isn't opening, go back through the steps carefully and make sure nothing was missed. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, software fixes, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.